Hey there, Bricksters and Lego friends. I am here at the Truro train show, the annual train show every year.
Oh, I'm terrible. That's why I say close to work. First time, the ride. It's like, you know, well, I got, and I won't have to endorse it. I'm just trying to put some stuff in this one. Hey, I don't know if I've even ever met him. I think you said you had a wedding. Oh, yeah. He's never been to my place. What's going on, Earl, man?
And I brought over R2D2 and Olaf as well. There's Brian's.
I get Jason in the video here because, you know.
The newbie.
Jason the newbie. Hey, that could be his nickname, Newbie. Yeah.
Totally.
Newbie.
I'll be newbie.
What's your newbie, Brian?
Get another name I could be known by.
Yeah.
My favorite so far has been Lego Dude. This little kid, 7 years old. He's like, hey, Lego Dude, Lego Dude.
And our newest member to Mirrorlug is Jason, who has Playwell Bricks. So you can check out his channel too as well. Great info and tutorials on there. And I believe he has the video of his swing set that he's been making there. And he was showing us that and his Star Wars train that he had built. Now, I had not seen the new Han Solo movie, so I had no idea what this thing was until he actually explained to me that it was from that movie and it was a train that moved along the side of the mountain. And he is going to try to put some dips and curves and all that wonderful stuff into the track and make this actually functional. It is functional on the 3 to 4 feet that he has there, but he wants to make it longer and actually work like the train in the Han Solo movie. There is my sorting hat, my Harry Potter sorting hat, and the little Harry Potter sorting hat set. And the 2 roller coasters that I brought up, and the scrambler in the middle. And you can see R2 and Olaf in the background. Having a cup of coffee, are you, Olaf? You might melt there, buddy. The roller coasters were a big hit with the kids there this year, and you know, they got to play with them a little bit, and I let them, you know, move the functions around and hand crank them and stuff, and they had fun with that. Also, Brian had his robots there, and robots are also a big hit too. You know, Johnny 5 and Wally, always a big hit. And of course, he had his front end loader there, his Volvo front end loader, and that's remote control, and that was pretty cool. Only it was mucking up a little bit because Jason's infrared remotes were on the same channels, so things were turning on and off over on Brian's table when Jason would try to run his train. Anyway, that's infrared. That's the way things happen, especially when you get in fluorescent lighting. You kind of have these problems. That's about it for me today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below, and hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time we upload a video. Take care, and I will talk to you guys again in the next video very shortly.